In this video, we're gonna rip the Traxxas X-Maxx and the Kraton. We got someone in the house.
Hey!
We got Jake Billing in the house, who has actually got a crazy high 90 million view video, haven't you?
Oh yeah, that's right.
And he just built me an epic new gaming PC.
Now I might struggle to get this out. Let's try. I might turn it over first.
If you want to see this build, guys, Jake built it over on his channel. We're going to put a link to that down below.
I can't get it out the box.
I think the flap's gone under.
And that's what she said. The flap's stuck.
That's what she said.
Too much flappage.
Come on, get it out of there. What's going on? Oh, here we go. Ooh, this is the world's most powerful editing PC. So guys, if you want to see the full build of that PC, check it out over on Jake's channel. All right, you ready to bash?
Oh yeah.
Which one do you want to use?
I'm going to go for the Kraton first.
You got Vinny in the house. Where have you been hiding?
I've been hiding.
People have been asking where you've been.
Have they?
Yeah.
No.
How long has it been?
Oh,
4 months. Go on then, get in there. Oh, next. Oh, it's camera back. Come on, Andy.
Full speed!
Well, check this out, look. It's not doing anything. Vinny's got the Kraton EXP. Quite nice. Oh, no bash bar though. Oh. Who can make it up the steps? Oh, what? What? The Kraton's killing the X-Maxx. Not having that. No, not having that. Yes! Standing back flip. Oh, no! Oh, he's done it! Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh, what? How old are you?
31.
Oh, stop. Oh. What's going on? Tumble wumble. What are you doing to my Kraton? Put it. Flat out. Oh my God. Man, how is this thing surviving the abuse? Has he killed it?
I think there's something stuck.
Has the drive shaft come out?
Yeah.
You have tools?
Yeah. Ironically.
Oh!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I can't get it down.
That's what she said. Back in action.
Oh yeah.
He's live streaming there, look. Oh, look. Oh! Oh! X-Maxx versus EXP versus EXP. This EXP here has actually got a Kraton 8S motor in it. That means more power. That's where grumpy old man was over there. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Ready, steady, go, 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 go! Oh, oh no! Oh no!
You know what it is, yeah? It's not it.
When I come up to his place and use his cars, I'll get my own back. X-Maxx just can't pick up quick. Oh! I wasn't supposed to go that far. How are we going to get it out?
And that's what she said.
Oh, guys, that's got thorns in there. Look.
Is it prickling?
Yes. Can you go and get it?
No, can I help?
Heads up, guys.
Oh, next. Oh! Your turn.
No.
Can you get it?
No. Is it actually thorn bushes?
That is there. Oh, he got it, he got it, he got it.
I need a hand pulling this side.
Nice one, dude. You know what? I was going to leave it there. Guys, look, we can take a run up all the way from over there, probably 50 miles an hour, hit this flat out, and then just see where it ends up. Hopefully not in that sign. And Jake's camera bag. If we hit that, that's going to be bad.
Oh, shit! Whoa!
Oh, look at that, he landed. Your go, Jake.
Where even am I?
Jake has lost his car. Jake's turn. Flat out. Oh! Oh no, he's killed it. Oh, the camera bag. Oh, oh no. Look. Oh. Oh, what's going on?
I don't know anymore.
Oh no, what happened?
Hold on. We can fix this. There you go.
Back in action. I'm more worried about your camera, dude.
Thank you.
Oh, he's broke it.
Oh, he's killed the arm. Oh, my tough baby.
You know, poke it back in and drive it gently now.
That's what she said.
Finish it. Go on, flat out. Do it again. Oh! What? How did that X-Maxx land? Oh no. Oh.
They're having vegetarian pizza as well.
Yeah.
Kev's a veggie.
Yeah.
And Jake's got to have a vegetarian pizza because of Kev. Do you know what? I reckon you should just go and get your own Domino's and have a mighty meaty, innit?
You can have one, but you got to eat outside.
Oh, got to eat outside, got to fart outside, got to breathe outside.
Next challenge, we've got to jump this and clear that. Oh! Oh no, no, no! Oh, you're joking! Oh, tumble wumble! Nice one, dude. All right, here we go.
Take it easy.
Oh, look at that! Look, still going! Yes! That could not have gone any better. That was perfect. X-Maxx loves it. Oh no! You want to roll it when you start rolling inside out. Oh! What's still going? Ah! Now, Billy, what's your car doing?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, yes! What happened?
We've had an accident.
Fell off the wall while we was out. Oh no. Oh. What?
Body knocked itself off.
Oh, we can blame Claire. There you go.